Do you want to know who owns the US Federal Reserve? Well, if you have shares in any American bank, you do. And this is the case because since 1913, banks who are operating in the United States are mandated by law to put 6% of their available capital into one of 12 of their local district reserve banks. And these 12 district reserve banks are owned entirely by banks who have put in their 6% available capital. And then with these 12 banks put together, they then outright own the US Federal Reserve. So a good way to think of the US Federal Reserve isn't so much as a corporation or a big bank, but more like a bankers co-op or a bankers union. And just because the banks own the Federal Reserve, it doesn't mean that they actually get the profits from it. So having a part ownership of this district bank, which then owns the Federal Reserve Bank, entitles them to a 6% dividend for all the money that they have in that district bank. However, for any profit that they make above that 6% dividend, is then actually given to the US government's treasury, which in 2021 was $109 billion.